Welcome to this section on question answering with TensorFlow 2. Our task involves making use of an input text like this kind of text and answering questions. Now, what we're trying to say is we are going to train the machine to do reading comprehension automatically. So supposing we have this text which has been extracted from Wikipedia and which talks about deep learning, we could have this question. An example of a supervised learning technique is, now based on this text, we have this actually being defined here, or this example being given right here. Now if we look at the whole text or look at this portion, we have the solution leverages both supervised learning techniques such as the classification of suspicious transactions and unsupervised learning, e.g. anomaly detection. So this is a supervised learning technique right here, and then this is an unsupervised learning technique. So when posed this question, our task is to be able to identify these portions of the input text or this context text which actually contain the right answer. So that's the answer for this first question. For the second question, we have an example of an unsupervised learning technique is, so clearly we have this anomaly detection. For the next question, we have deep learning is applied to. So we are basing ourselves on this text, and we have this because from here we have deep learning has been successfully applied to financial fraud detection and anti-money laundering. Then we go to the next question. We have, what can anti-money laundering detection systems do? From the text we have, they can spot and recognize relationships and similarities between data, and further down the road, learn to detect anomalies or classify and predict specific events. So one important point to note is that our task doesn't actually involve coming up with all this text, but just locating the exact region where the answer is found in the context text.